Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Febrian Atmatka, and I'm from Informatics Study Program from Electronic Media at Padang State University. Today in this video, I'm going to show you what product I use when I have a cold and cough. I'm always use OBH Combi Cough Plus Flu. This product can help me to relieve my fever and cough. OBH Combi is available in several packs in the form of syrup, menthol, ginger, and honey flavor, which are 16 ml and 100 ml. OBH Combi can be used by children at least 12 years old. However, it can't be used by pregnant women. It also can't be used by people who have high blood pressure, heart problems, diabetes mellitus, and impaired liver function. OBH Combi can be help you expel your blood, reduce allergy symptoms, relax airway, and reduce fever. However, there are side effects you should warning about it, such as making drowsiness, mild digestive disorder, insomnia, restlessness, excotation, tremor, and dry mouth. How to use it? You have to shake it first, and after that, you can drink it 2 times in a day with a dose of 1 tablespoon. Therefore, before you drink it, make sure you have eat something first before you drink it, or you will cause your stomach ache. When you store it, make sure you have to keep it away from the sunlight. Also, keep it on the dry room. And for the prices, for the 60 milliliter size, the price range from 40,000 to 15,000 rupiah. And for the 100 milliliter, the price range is from 20,000 to 22,000 rupiah. And that's wrap up for today explanation about OBH Combi, the medicine I use to relieve my cold and cough. I hope you enjoy the video and bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.